The GMC Yukon has been a staple in the full-size SUV market for years, offering the perfect blend of rugged capability, luxury, and spacious comfort. Whether you're looking for a family vehicle that can carry everyone in style or an adventure-ready SUV that can tackle the toughest terrains, the GMC Yukon is designed to meet diverse needs. In this article, we will dive into the features, performance, and why the GMC Yukon remains one of the top choices for those seeking a capable, large SUV. Design and interior features. The GMC Yukon offers a bold and commanding presence on the road with its muscular design and aggressive stance. The front grille, sharp LED headlights, and distinctive body lines create a powerful impression that's hard to ignore. The SUV's design is not just for aesthetics, it also contributes to aerodynamics, making it both a head-turner and efficient on the road. Inside, the Yukon is built for comfort and luxury. With 3 rows of seating, it can comfortably accommodate up to 9 passengers, depending on the configuration. The interior boasts high-quality materials, including leather upholstery and premium trim options. Features include heated unventilated seats, for both front and second-row passengers, ensuring a comfortable ride in any weather. Infotainment system, the 10.2-inch touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offers seamless connectivity for entertainment and navigation. Spacious cargo, with a third-row seats folded down, you get plenty of room for luggage, camping gear, or any large items you need to transport. Performance and power. Under the hood, the GMC Yukon delivers powerful engine options to cater to various driving needs. The standard 5.3 liters V8 engine provides 355 horsepower and 383 pounds-to-feet of torque, while the available 6.2 liters V8 engine boosts power to 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-to-feet of torque. These engines are mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and optimal performance on any terrain. For those who require the ability to tow heavy loads, the Yukon doesn't disappoint. With the optional max trailering package, the Yukon can tow up to 8,400 pounds, making it ideal for towing trailers, boats, or other large loads. Advanced safety features. The GMC Yukon takes safety seriously, offering an array of advanced driver assistance features. These systems are designed to keep both the driver and passengers safe on the road. Key safety features include automatic emergency braking, helps prevent collisions by applying the brakes if a potential crash is detected. Lane keep assist with lane departure warning, alerts the driver if the vehicle is drifting out of its lane without signaling and provides corrective steering if necessary. Surround vision camera, provides a bird's-eye view of the area around the SUV, making parking and maneuvering easier and safer. Technology and connectivity. GMC has integrated cutting-edge technology into the Yukon, ensuring that both entertainment and convenience are top priorities. The available premium GMC infotainment system features navigation, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and multiple USB ports to keep everyone connected throughout the journey. Plus, the rear seat entertainment system keeps passengers entertained with Blu-ray/DVD players and HDMI connectivity. Trim levels and customization. The GMC Yukon offers various trim levels to suit different preferences and budgets. These include SLE, the entry-level trim with an impressive list of standard features. SLT, adds more luxury features like leather upholstery, a premium sound system, and upgraded safety features. AT4, the off-road-oriented trim, ideal for adventure enthusiasts with rugged features like skid plates and an enhanced suspension system. Denali, the top-tier luxury trim, with advanced tech, superior materials, and refined performance options. Off-road capabilities. If you're an off-road enthusiast, the GMC Yukon has you covered, especially with the AT4 trim. This version is designed with enhanced suspension, upgraded tires, and a more rugged appearance, making it perfect for tackling tough trails and outdoor excursions. Whether you're driving through snow, mud, or rocky terrain, the Yukon is built to handle a variety of challenges. Fuel efficiency. While full-size SUVs are not known for their fuel efficiency, the Yukon manages to strike a balance between power and economy. The 5.3 liters V8 engine offers an EPA estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway, while the more powerful 6.2 liters V8 engine offers slightly lower efficiency but still provides reasonable fuel economy considering the vehicle's size and power. The GMC Yukon is the ultimate full-size SUV, offering luxury, power, and practicality in one comprehensive package. Whether you're hauling a boat, taking a road trip with the family, or heading off-road for an adventure, the Yukon provides the tools and features necessary to make every journey enjoyable. With its modern design, advanced technology, and powerful performance, the GMC Yukon remains a top contender in the competitive SUV market. If you're in the market for a vehicle that offers premium features, towing capabilities, and all-around comfort, the GMC Yukon is definitely worth considering. Would you choose the Yukon for your next adventure or family road trip? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.